morning. We have done some question of 10.2. Now I am doing question number 10. Find a vector in the direction of vector. Suppose this is A. Has magnitude 8. We know that vector, we have to find unit vector. Find a unit vector. Find a unit vector. So solution of it, this is vector A. Let vector A is 5i minus j plus 2k. First of all, we have to find unit vector of A. So unit vector A is vector A upon magnitude A. So 5i minus j plus 2k upon root over 5 square minus 1 square 2 square. So this is what 5i minus j plus 2k upon 25 plus 1 plus 4. This is 5i minus j plus 2k upon 25 root 30. Unit vector whose magnitude will be 1, but he is saying you have to find unit vector in the direction of this vector A, which has magnitude 8 units. So we'll write vector of magnitude 8 units, vector of magnitude unit vector of magnitude 8 units, vector of magnitude 8 units in the direction of A, in the direction of vector A will be 8 into unit vector A. इस टाइप का कोई भी क्वेश्चन हो, आपको उतनी यूनिट का आपको मैग्नीट्यूड है, यूनिट वेक्टर का मैग्नीट्यूड 1 होता है. अगर 5 यूनिट हो, 8 यूनिट हो, उसको 8 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए. सो 8 टाइम्स 5i माइनस जे प्लस 2k अपॉन रूट 30. ओके, कभी 5 यूनिट बोलेगा, कभी जब, मतलब यू हैव टू फाइंड यूनिट वेक्टर एंड यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई बाय दैट नंबर. नाउ वी डू क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. Show that vector 2i minus 3j plus 4k and minus 4i plus 6j minus 8k are collinear. Now we are doing exercise 10.2. Find an unit vector. Find an unit vector in the direction of vector this, which has magnitude 8 unit. We know that unit vector whose magnitude is 1. So first of all, we'll find unit vector in the direction of A. So it is A upon mod A, 5i minus j plus 2k upon root 5 square minus 1 square plus 2 square. It is root 30. But he is saying vector of magnitude 8 unit is in the direction of A. So 8 into unit vector A. So multiply this resultant vector, that is unit vector, by 8. ऐसा मैंने आपको पिछले वीडियो में भी बताया था. Find an unit vector in the direction of given vector which has magnitude 5 units, 4 units. आपको यूनिट वेक्टर निकालना है और जो नंबर दिया हो, जितना मैग्नीट्यूड दिया हो, उससे मल्टीप्लाई कर देना है. दैट्स इट. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 इज शो दैट वेक्टर this and this are collinear. Two vectors are said to be collinear. Two vectors are said to be collinear. This is very important property. If A equal to lambda B, this is very important property of vector. Already I have explained in definition. This lambda, it can be any positive or negative number. So here, what is vector A? It is 2i minus 3j plus 4k. And what is vector B? It is minus 4i plus 6j minus 8k. क्या हम एक वेक्टर को दूसरे के टर्म्स में रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं? वी कैन टेक माइनस 2 कॉमन. So 2i plus 3j, not 2i minus 3j plus 4k, because we have taken minus common. So this is minus 2a, because value of a is what? 2i minus 3j plus 4k. So vector B, so B is minus 2a. B is lambda times A or A is lambda times B. That is collinear. So B is minus 2a. Therefore, vector A and B are collinear. This is very important property. Okay. Sometimes suppose this is completed, but sometimes this is not. If you are getting three vectors A, B, C, take this as OA equal to A, OB equal to B, and OC equal to C. Then find AB, that is OB minus OA, that is B minus A. Find AC, OC minus OA, that is C minus A. Then make relation between AB and AC. इनमें लैम्डा टाइम्स को रिलेशन बना दीजिए. जो भी बड़ा हो उसमें से कुछ कॉमन निकालिए, पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव, और मेक द रिलेशन. So this is very important for three vectors collinear. Okay. Now we do question number 14. Show that vector A I plus J plus K is equally inclined with OX, OI, OZ. Equally inclined मतलब एंगल इक्वल बना रहा है तीनों एक्सिस से. एंगल इक्वल बना रहा है मतलब डायरेक्शन कोसाइन इक्वल आनी चाहिए. So solution of this question is, let vector A is I plus J plus K. Will find direction cosine LMN. If LMN are equal, means this vector is making equal angle with all three axes. So what is L? It is x upon root over x square plus y square plus z square. M equal to y upon root over x square plus y square plus z square. And n equals to z upon root over x square plus y square plus z square. So here it is 1 upon root over x, y, z, 1, 1, 1. Coefficient of I, J, K are called x, y, z. 1 square, 1 square, 1 square. So this is 1 upon root 3. M equal to 1 upon root 3. N is also 1 upon root 3. So since L equals to M equals to N, or you can write cos alpha equals to cos beta equal to cos gamma, or alpha equals to beta equals to gamma. Therefore vector A is equally inclined. Vector A is equally inclined with OX, OY, with OX, OY and OZ. Proved. Now section formula. Section or partition formula. Already you have done this thing in coordinate geometry. Suppose this is line AB and vector P divides AB internally because P is between A and B. If P is left side of AB or right side of AB, then it is called externally. So in coordinate geometry we were taking M1 is to M2. Here we take lambda is to 1. So OP equal to lambda times OB plus 1 times OA upon lambda plus 1. Like M1x2 plus M2x1 upon M1 plus M2. Same concept. And for externally, we take minus sign in between, in numerator and denominator. Okay. So question number 15, you are getting, find the position vector of a point R which divide the line joining points P and Q with position vector, first part internally. This is P, this is Q. P is I plus 2j minus k, or we can write 1, 2, minus 1. And Q is minus 1, 1, 1. Okay. And we have to find, let P and Q are given, let A divides internally. So OA, what will be formula? Lambda into OQ plus, this is lambda is to 1. 1 into OP upon lambda plus 1. So here lambda is, ratio is 2:1. So 2 into OQ plus 1 into OP upon 2 plus 1. So what is OQ? OQ is minus I plus J plus K plus 1 into OP I plus 2j minus k, and upon 2 plus 1. So this is what? Minus 2i plus I, it is minus I, plus 2j 4j,